Welcome to Libertex. Since a promising start to May, Litecoin has been sent crashing back to levels not seen since late January and early February. With the last run-up touching new all-time highs at $388 from May 9th, Litecoin has plummeted almost 70%, a devastating blow for traders excited about the recent highs. Where will Litecoin go from here? A lot is in store for Litecoin this year, and as one of the original altcoins founded back in 2011, traders may still be rewarded for their patience, while the recent price action shapes up to be a volatile ride for the month of June. Will this be the time for a reversal? We'll be getting into all of that, as well as price targets for Litecoin. So if you like content on all things Litecoin, the latest developments and technical analysis on the top crypto movers, stocks, metals, and more, you can support our team of analysts striving to deliver on-point news for stronger trading in 2021 by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel to join our growing community of traders. So without further ado, let's jump into the Litecoin price analysis for June. The Litecoin market has been a bloodbath as we come towards the end of May. As part of the overall crypto crash that is going on in the background, Litecoin has been very vulnerable to the sell-off that has hit virtually all major crypto assets. When Bitcoin significantly decreases in value, it usually brings altcoins down with it, and as we all know, altcoins can be even more volatile than Bitcoin itself. This is exactly what the market is experiencing, largely due to China's announced crackdown on cryptocurrencies. The selling that has ensued has injected massive fear into the crypto market space, and some are wondering whether or not Bitcoin and altcoins themselves will have another shot at glory in the short to mid-term. Not only has the value of Bitcoin dropped violently, but the Bitcoin dominance has also taken a serious hit. In order for momentum to come back into altcoins, especially Litecoin, Bitcoin will need to see higher closes on the dominance chart because when Bitcoin dominance is strong, the altcoin space tends to perform at its best. While the major cause for the crash is clear enough, there is some hope on the horizon for Litecoin traders and investors, as well as those interested in taking positions with Litecoin at the current levels. Litecoin is set to undergo the largest upgrade to its network ever, with the highly anticipated Mimblewimble or MWEB update. The upgrade has been under development for 2 years now, and has a predicted release date in August of 2021, just a few months out from where we are currently at the end of May. The upgrade is designed to improve Litecoin's scalability and quote-unquote fungibility for all. Litecoin is predicting a massive amount of strength to crypto with this update, and may have the power to generate some much needed price momentum to the current levels in the short to mid-term as more updates and news over this upgrade come to light. Let's now take a dive into the Litecoin technical analysis chart to get a better understanding of the latest price action and nearest levels of support and resistance we as traders need to keep a close eye on moving forward into the month of June. All right, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at the technical chart for Litecoin LTC, and throughout the beginning of May, Litecoin seemed almost unstoppable. We broke new all-time highs, and Litecoin demonstrated that it does have the power to deliver serious gains after trading sideways for most of its lifetime in the crypto space. It's no doubt a frustrating time to be a Litecoin holder, as what we are looking at in front of us over the past few days is a massively red 70% fall from grace. We can see that Litecoin did manage to get a bounce off the 500 EMA and has recovered slightly from the steepest part of the fall. But with where Litecoin is currently trading, this level still holds true as the nearest baseline for real support. The most significant level of support that Litecoin traders need to keep their eyes on is found at the 500 EMA price of $120. If Litecoin does manage to come back down here again, it could well be an interesting buying point if Litecoin is to make a big comeback in the near future with advancements to the network, as well as a potential comeback for Bitcoin to lift the overall market. Furthermore, we can see that the RSI is showing oversold and is heavily extended below the chart, which many traders use to indicate a potential buying signal as well as an entry point. Failure to hold this $120 level of support will potentially open the gateway to Litecoin's next lifeline of support found at around $101. In terms of a reversal out of this sell-off, Litecoin will need to retest and break past the most serious line of resistance at $233. Ideally, we can see Litecoin smash past this, close higher, and begin the steady climb up, closing at gradually higher highs and building out a less volatile path from the red. As we know from this past week more than ever, Litecoin remains a highly volatile crypto asset. So if you are trading Litecoin in the short term or wanting to get in and get out over a possible bounce from support, considering setting stop losses at some of these levels and considering exiting at around the resistance levels closer to the $233 range if we manage to get a bounce back. What are your thoughts on the latest price movements for Litecoin? Has the LTC market finally reached the bottom? Let us know your price predictions and whether you will be buying Litecoin at the current prices in the comments to join the conversation with our community of traders and analysts. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're interested in trading Litecoin, as well as the other top cryptocurrencies, stock CFDs, forex pairs, metals, and more, head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description and open up a free account today. We'll provide you with everything you need to start your trading journey and have over 20 years experience as a trusted and leading brokerage. As always, we'd like to wish you a successful month of trading. Thanks for watching and see you next time.